Ginger can help soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. You can make ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water and adding honey and lemon for added relief. Turmeric helps reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, which can be beneficial for coughs due to respiratory infections or irritants. Cinnamon has antimicrobial properties and can help alleviate sore throat and cough symptoms. Adding cinnamon to tea or warm beverages may provide some relief. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound with antimicrobial properties. Clove tea or adding cloves to warm water can help soothe a sore throat and reduce coughing. Ingredients: ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, cloves.